Okay, so now let's see how we can track the account fields. So that's how our account screen actually looks like. In the related tab, as we can see, there is no account history type of object related list, sorry. In the setup, let's try to find the account object under the object manager. So let's click on the account, fields and relationship. On the right hand side, click on the set history tracking, enable account history, and from here you can choose the fields which you actually want to track. So there's this a bit of disclaimer, and you can choose the fields which you actually want to track. So just for the demonstration purposes, I have selected some fields, and let's save this one. So you'll see a save button at the bottom of the page. It's not actually visible here. So under the page layout, if we go to the page layout assignments, we can actually see what kind of pages are assigned or to our profile. So in the later videos, we are going to talk how you can actually how you can actually check your profile. So in the account layout, so that's the page layout which is assigned to my profile. So under the related list, we are going to drag and drop the account history related list, and let's just save it. So if we go back to our account object under the related tab, let's just refresh it. So it should be able to display our account history related list. As you can see, there is currently 0 records underneath it. Let's try to change the account name, because this is one of the fields that we were actually tracking. So maybe let's just, for the demonstration purposes, let's change America to USA. And under the related tab, as you can see, there's one record created under account history, which has the original and the new value and other related information.